Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SAMSUNG Galaxy F05 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's open the dialer. Now let's tap on the keypad and enter the three dots icon in the right upper corner here. Tap on the settings and tap on block numbers. And as you can see here, we've got our blacklist. We can enter the contacts or recents and block the number from those lists. We can add the number manually right here, so we do not have to enter the contacts, for example. Just enter it in this section and tap on this plus icon. It will immediately appear on the blacklist, which means that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. You can also block the calls from all unidentified callers just by tapping on the switcher right here, and you can turn it off the same way. If you want to unblock the number, tap on this minus icon. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.